Lahore 1927, a single building but a bold idea. सर मेलकम हैली गवर्नर पंजाब के नाम पर कायम किया गया ये इदारा बरसगीर का पहला सनत व तिजारत पर तलीम फराहम करने वाला इदारा बना। आज करीबन एक सदी गुजर जाने के बाद भी ये इदारा कॉमर्स की तलीम फराहम कर रहा है, जहाँ करीबन 5000 तालब इल्म और तकरीबन 40 मुस्तकिल उस्ताज़ा इस इदारे की अहमियत को बरकरार रखे हुए हैं। Hailey College of Commerce consists of two prestigious blocks, Anis Block and Nazir Block, named after its honorable principals. Hailey offers a curriculum built for the modern world like BS Commerce, BS E-Commerce, BS Accounting and Finance, BS Accounting and Taxation, BS Fintech, BS Computational Finance, BS Business Intelligence Analytics, and BS Islamic Business and Finance. These are not just to educate but to equip. Hailey operates 3 computer labs equipped with 220 computers dedicated to practical training and software and IT integrated commerce courses. यहाँ सीखना सिर्फ लेक्चर हॉल तक महदूद नहीं, देयर इज़ अ लाइब्रेरी द इंटेलेक्चुअल हार्ट ऑफ द कॉलेज, जहाँ हज़ारों किताबें हैं, वेयर योर एवरी क्वेश्चन फाइंड्स इट्स आंसर. With its spacious grounds and beautiful greenery, Hailey College of Commerce encourages an active student life. Students participate in different sports activities, while also benefiting from the basketball court and outdoor gym facilities. Hailey College is not just academically ahead, but they are also investing in environment-friendly projects, like they have invested in their solar project, in which they are trying to remove their carbon footprint from our globe. Walk through the Hellis corridor and you will find a high achievers wall, a permanent record of the students who topped their class semester after semester. और हर साल इन तमाम तालिब इल्मों में इनामात तकसीम किए जाते हैं और उनका नाम इस दीवार पर लिखा जाता है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ रिकग्निशन, बल्कि ये हर तालिब इल्म के लिए यकीन दहानी है कि ये सब मुमकिन है. More than 50,000 alumni across Pakistan and the globe, in banks, corporations, government ministries and boardrooms. ये हैले की कामयाबी का सबूत है कि जो यहाँ से शुरू होता है वो यहाँ नहीं रुकता, बल्कि कामयाब सनतें और इदारे कायम करता है. The alumni wall stands tall at the heart of the campus, not as the monument to the past, but as the promise to all the students still present here that their name belongs on this wall. Hailey's degree is not just a qualification, it's a head start. Hailey College made a history as the first public sector institute to receive 9 exemptions from ICAP and 13 exemptions from SEMA. The 9 paper exempted in both ACCA and ICMA. Global finance professional. The journey of the Hailey students not starts after graduation, but it starts from now.
Almost 100 years, thousands of graduates, one unwavering mission to take a student, any student, and give them the knowledge, the skills, and the credential to go anywhere. This is Hailey College of Commerce, the oldest institution of commerce in Asia, and still just getting started.